Hey people, welcome back to my road tours. Here at the park whose name I cannot pronounce, Boulder Flatirons. The other day I got a request if I could do a video on comparing the stabilization of my Hero 5 to my Gopro Hero 7 Black. This one over here, the lighter gray, that's the 5, and obviously the 7. Now, I'm not entirely sure how this is going to go, and the reason I say that is I've never used the stabilization on my 5. The reason being is it doesn't work in 4K, and I shoot all my videos in 4K, so be interesting to see myself. Now, if I stuttered any time, it's actually pretty chilly out here. We got, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches of snow the other day. It was freezing or just under freezing, and you can see there's a little bit of a breeze out here. Maybe more than a breeze. It's got to be a good 7 mile per hour, if not higher. So, alright, so I'm going to get these set up. I'm going to put the settings the same and walk around and see what they look like. Alright. I don't know if you can make it out, but I got them at 2.7 30 frames per second, both on wide. So we'll walk around and see what they look like. Okay. Alright, so got these both set up on stabilization. I believe the lowest setting, highest resolution I could do is 2.7 on the Hero 5 Black. So that's why I got them both set at 30 frames per second, both with on wide. It's hard to give you a really good idea of how well the stabilization works, because I didn't bring my gloves. Like I said, below freezing. You can obviously tell we have a breeze. Whew. We were in New York for a week. It was so much easier to walk around there, as you're not dealing with the altitude. Whew. A little chilly. Alright. I've got my Hero 7 set up on the Evo GP Pro Gimbal electronic stabilization. Now here's the deal. I had someone ask me what it would be like stabilization on a gimbal. So just for the heck of it. Alright. Again, we're in the park. I cannot pronounce. Somebody can pronounce that. Feel free. Just outside of Boulder, Colorado. Really, I wouldn't. It's hard to say just outside, because I mean there's neighborhoods right there. But Boulder, Colorado, with the famous Flatirons. So, all right, here we are. Here we are, just kind of walking along this creek here, this left-hand creek outside of Boulder, Colorado. Here we are. Both cameras are on 4K 30 frames per second wide. The Hero 7, you see right here on the Evo GP Pro electronic stabilizer or gimbal, is set to the same settings but with Hypersmooth stabilization engaged. So we're going to do a little walking around. Well, I'm not going to do any ski jumping, but try to walk down this trail a little. Again, 4K 30 frames per second with Hypersmooth engaged on the Hero 7. It's a little tacky. Here, I'm talking about the trail. I didn't bring my hiking shoes. I just got walking shoes on. So, trying to avoid some of the mud. Actually, I think it still froze. Permafrost. Alright, well, back out of here. I've got some other things I need to do. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Sorry, it's a little chilly. Alright, so climbing back out of this, give it a little more unevenness to this. But anyway, I'm a little excited to see what this looks like on Hypersmooth. Kind of overkill, but all right, hopefully that helps you out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your questions. Try to answer them when I can. In the meantime, check out my other videos. FYI, 99, I mean the majority of the video footage I filmed during our New York trips was on the Gopro Hero 7 with Hypersmooth stabilization the entire time. Some of it's 30 frames, some of it's 60 frames. I didn't really make note. It was a little different than my usual videos where I attach cameras to my vehicles and drive around. I wanted to experience New York, and really the only way you could do that is walking. I mean, so it was, we didn't rent a car, we just walked. I mean, I would subway to an area and walk back or something like that, but occasional Uber and taxi driver, but for the most part I walked around a lot, and that was, like I said, using the Hero 7 Black with Hypersmooth. So check out those videos, and I thank y'all for watching.